Welcome in, and today we're going to overview all the rides that are currently available at one of the best family-friendly amusement parks in the country, Santa's Village. So stick along, and we'll show you every ride they currently have. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to see any updates or additions that they have in upcoming seasons.
Welcome, it's Denson Doodle, and today we're going to be taking you to Santa's Village and showing you every single ride that they have. We hope you enjoy, and me and my friend will be giving you an overview of every single ride that they currently have.
Here's a quick map overviewing the park and all the different rides that we're going to show you over the course of this video. Thanks for hanging with us. We hope you enjoy. Santa! I know him!
This is the Snowballs, and we really enjoy this ride because it is a action-packed, crazy ride that you can make go faster than it already goes by using yourself. I gave this ride a 9 out of 10. Now
I give this ride a 5.5 out of 10 because I don't like it as much as Sun does, and yeah.
Next off at the pirate ship. This replaced the Sea Dragon, and I give this a 10 out of 10.
Personally, the Sea Dragon was better for me, but I give this one a 10 out of 10 as well.
Next up after the snack stand is the Flying Balloons, which is a great ride that we usually end our trips on. And then there is a 3D VR experience, which is really cool. And if you come in the fall, they'll actually switch it up from Christmas to Halloween.
Next up is the Farmer's Fling. This replaced the cows for some reason, and I personally love it. It was a great addition, and I give this a 9.5 out of 10.
I really love this ride as well. I give this one a 5.9 out of 10.
So after you see this, you will see the barn, and I personally don't really like it because it's an amusement park, but it is also a family fun park. So I'm going to give the barn a 5.8 out of 10.
The barn is really fun, but I don't like it like a lot because it's not like an attraction. A ride. So I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 10.
Until we kick the tour back off, it's time for a baby pig break. So enjoy the piglets.
These are the baby pigs, and then this is the rest of the barn.
Now the rest of the area is a traditional petting zoo, and you can buy feed and feed the animals if you'd like, but there are goats, there's lambs, there's donkeys, there's all sorts of things here. But the big hit, since this is Santa's Village, is they do have reindeer on site. So you gotta stop by and see Santa's reindeer while you're here. Bye, guy. After exiting the petting zoo, you come across the North Pole Expedition. This is actually a really cool on-track ride, and we have a full-on ride on our channel, which is linked above.
This is the Kringles Convoy coming up, and we love this ride for little kids, but personally it's not for us. I give this an 8.3 out of 10.
I give this a 9.5 out of 10.
This is the ice cream shop. Just quickly, I love this place. It is so good.
I want to get a quickie of...
Next up, we have the Little Monster Rally. This one's very good for little kids, but personally, I went on it, and it was pretty slow, but for good kids, it's really fun, and I would give it an 8.9 out of 10.
I give this ride a 5.5 out of 10 because it's more so for little kids.
Next up, we have another little kids ride that's just basically the same exact idea, same with the rest of them, and I give these all a 9.5 out of 10. Next, we have the carousel, and I give this one a 10 out of 10. It's just so nice and so classic. I love it.
I give this one a 5.9 out of 10. It is pretty good because it is very classic.
Now Dad's going to take over for a hot second because Tilt-A-Whirl is one of my favorites. It's a classic carnival ride that they have permanently here at Santa's Village. So if you want to get your spin on, this is the way to go. Let us know so far in the video if you've seen any that you've ridden on as a kid or that you enjoy. Next up is Tropica. I think that's how you say it. Hit us up in the comments if that's wrong. But this is one of our favorites. We've been riding this since Son was tall enough to sit with me side by side.
I give this one a complete 10 out of 10.
As well as me, I give it a 10 out of 10 as well.
So if you're visiting, you heard it from the kids. The kids absolutely love this ride. And it is amazing to get a view of the park as you're rotating. Here's a sneak peek at Rocking Reindeer, which is a great thrill ride for the little ones, but we'll have much more on this later. But directly adjacent to this is the Blizzard. This is probably the most thrilling ride that they have on site, and I can't tell you how many times Son rides this every time we're there. He has been on this ride since he met the minimum height requirements, and it has inspired many people that were too scared to ride it to hop on. What do you think of this one?
1 quadrillion out of 10. This is my favoriteest ride ever.
I give this one an infinite out of 10. I love this ride so much.
This is the one you want if you got thrill seekers in your family. Speaking of classics, here's another one. They have on-site bumper cars, so you and your family can take out your frustrations on each other. I will tell you, be careful of the guardrails because they are metal. And Dad inadvertently, a couple seasons ago, drove full blast into one, and they're not very forgiving. My broken ribs can attest to that. Behind this area is the roller coaster, the actual roller coaster. So Farmer's Fling is a mini coaster, but the actual roller coaster here is actually pretty thrilling for people of all ages, and it's got a great drop, especially if you're somebody that doesn't like rotating coasters. But if you got little ones, they do have the Caterpillar. You may know it as the Sea Dragon, but this one is decked out in Caterpillar gear, so you can take this, and adults can go on it, but I highly advise you turn sideways so you don't bang your knees as you're going up and down.
Next up is the roller coaster. I personally love this one. It was my first roller coaster that I was ever on that was a full-size roller coaster, and I'm pretty sure same for
Me. So this was my first ride I've ever went on when I went to Santa's Village for the first time. I definitely give this one, I highly recommend it. Give it a 10 out of 10.
Same. I give it a 10 out of 10, and I love it. And next up, we have Mega Velocity. This is one of Dad and Son's favorite because whenever we're done with the water park, we go on this and dry off. And make sure you check out our video on the full tour of the water park on this channel. And I give this a 10 out of 10.
Me as well. I love this one, and I really highly recommend it.
So next up, we have a park. I actually really like this. For some reason, it's just such a big park. But since it's an amusement park, I only give this a 5 out of 10. Next up, we have the Rocking Reindeer. This one is awesome for little kids and also for some adults because I really enjoy this one. It was actually so fun to go on, and me and Dad kept seeing it in the parking lot but never seeing it out. Next up, we have the old time cars. This one is just a classic for everyone that's been to Santa's Village, and we always try to get white for me and Dad, and this is personally a fan favorite, so I give it a 10 out of 10.
Me as well.
And this is even cooler in all the different seasons because they decorate it, whether it's Halloween or different times of year. So come back for Route 66.
Next up, we have the fire truck. This is actually a classic. They have replaced it, I think, twice already, but it is awesome. You get to spray people even though they tell you not to, and you get to put out a fire. I give this a 10 out of 10.
Me as well. I love this ride so much.
Now, we hope you enjoyed coming with us to one of our favorite places in the world. We are season pass holders, so we come here very often, so we'll be sure to keep you updated of any changes. But if you like this video, YouTube thinks you'll like this one. But if you want to see more Santa's Village, check out this playlist right here. Take care, all our best, and consider hitting that subscribe and like button. And join the Dad and Son community. And don't forget to check out some of the on-rides and the water park videos available now on our channel. Take care, everyone. All our best. And keep the family memories coming. And we'll have so much more of their seasonal, so don't forget to subscribe so you can see all the different offerings throughout the year.